Staying on top of your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. One of the simplest yet most effective tools you can use is a personal finance binder. With everything organized in one place, your accounts, bills, budgets, and important documents, you'll always know exactly where you stand financially. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through creating your own binder that keeps your money organized, reduces stress, and helps you stay on track with your financial goals. If you're ready to take control of your money and bring order to the chaos, stick with me until the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more practical money tips like this. Why a personal finance binder matters. The power of a binder comes from the sense of control it provides. When everything you need is gathered and easy to access, you save time and eliminate the anxiety of scrambling for documents. If you have ever missed a bill payment because the reminder got buried in your inbox, or if you have struggled to remember account details in an emergency, you already know the problems disorganization can cause. A finance binder solves these problems by serving as a single reference point. It allows you to track your income, expenses, debts, and savings in one structured place. It also keeps critical paperwork like insurance policies, wills, or tax returns within reach. Most importantly, it helps you build financial awareness. When you physically review your accounts and documents, you gain a stronger sense of where your money is going and how well you are progressing towards your goals. Choosing the right binder and materials. The process starts with selecting the binder itself. A sturdy 3-ring binder with dividers and plastic sleeves usually works best because it allows you to add, remove, or reorganize pages as needed. Clear plastic sheet protectors are particularly useful for storing official documents like insurance policies, loan agreements, and tax returns. Dividers with tabs will allow you to create sections that make navigation easy, and a set of hole punch worksheets can help you record information like bill due dates or account balances. While this is a physical system, you can also print out online statements and keep them inside, ensuring that everything is centralized. Organizing your accounts. The first section of your binder should focus on your financial accounts. This includes your checking and savings accounts, investment accounts, retirement funds, and any other accounts you use regularly. For each one, create a simple information sheet that includes the institution name, account number, login details, if you feel safe storing them there, and the type of account. Having this information together not only helps you keep track, but also provides a quick reference in emergencies. You can also add recent account statements to this section. Keeping the latest 2 or 3 statements gives you a quick snapshot of balances and activity. As new statements come in, replace the old ones, ensuring your binder always reflects the most up-to-date information. This method turns your binder into a living document that evolves alongside your financial life. Tracking bills and expenses. Another crucial section of the binder should be dedicated to bills and recurring expenses. Many people find themselves overwhelmed because they rely on memory or scattered reminders to keep track of due dates. By recording each bill in your binder, whether it is for utilities, rent, subscriptions, or credit cards, you create a reliable checklist. A monthly bill tracker sheet can be particularly useful here. You can create a calendar page for each month that lists when payments are due and check them off as you pay. If you are already using automation for some bills, you can still include them in your binder to maintain awareness of what is being deducted and when. This section ensures you never miss payments and keeps your monthly financial rhythm predictable. Tracking bills and expenses. Another crucial section of the binder should be dedicated to bills and recurring expenses. Many people find themselves overwhelmed because they rely on memory or scattered reminders to keep track of due dates. By recording each bill in your binder, whether it is for utilities, rent, subscriptions, or credit cards, you create a reliable checklist. A monthly bill tracker sheet can be particularly useful here. You can create a calendar page for each month that lists when payments are due and check them off as you pay. If you are already using automation for some bills, you can still include them in your binder to maintain awareness of what is being deducted and when. This section ensures you never miss payments and keeps your monthly financial rhythm predictable. Organizing important documents. Beyond accounts and bills, your binder should also contain the key documents that support your financial life. This includes insurance policies for health, auto, and home, loan agreements for mortgages, student loans, or personal loans, and legal documents like wills or powers of attorney. Keeping copies of tax returns from the past few years is also smart, as they are often needed for reference when applying for loans or resolving issues with the tax authorities. Storing these documents in protective sleeves keeps them safe and easily accessible. The goal is not necessarily to carry every single paper you have ever received, but to gather the most important and relevant ones in one place. That way, when you need to reference your insurance coverage, check loan details, or confirm tax information, you know exactly where to look. Setting goals and tracking progress. A personal finance binder is not just a record-keeping system. It can also serve as a planning tool. Including a section for financial goals adds a forward-looking dimension to the binder. Whether you are saving for a vacation, paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, writing your goals down and tracking progress keeps you motivated. You might add worksheets that allow you to record savings milestones, debt repayment progress, or monthly budget results. By checking these regularly, you reinforce good habits and can adjust your strategies when necessary. This section turns the binder from a passive filing system into an active financial roadmap. Maintaining and updating the binder. Creating the binder is only the first step. Keeping it updated is what makes it effective. A monthly or quarterly review session works best. During this time, you can replace old account statements with new ones, update bill trackers, and review your goals. This process not only keeps the binder accurate but also encourages regular reflection on your financial progress. It is also wise to store your binder in a safe but accessible place. For families, it can be helpful to let your spouse or partner know where it is kept so they can access it if needed. Some people even choose to keep a copy of their most critical documents in a fireproof safe, while the binder contains day-to-day references. The exact system can vary, but consistency and security are key. The bigger picture. A personal finance binder may sound simple, but its impact is powerful. It takes the chaos of scattered papers, forgotten due dates, and unclear goals, and transforms them into a clear, organized system. By gathering your accounts, bills, and important documents in one place, you gain control, clarity, and confidence. It becomes easier to stay on top of payments, track your progress toward financial goals, and handle unexpected events without panic. The process of setting up a personal finance binder requires a bit of effort in the beginning, but the payoff is enormous. With everything organized, you no longer waste time searching for information or stressing over missing documents. Instead, you have a system that supports financial discipline, encourages planning, and keeps you on track. In the long run, this small act of organization can make a major difference in your financial stability and peace of mind. And that's how you can build a personal finance binder to keep your accounts, bills, and goals perfectly organized. With everything in one place, managing your money becomes simpler, clearer, and a whole lot less stressful. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll always have access to my latest personal finance strategies. Thanks for watching, and here's to keeping your financial life organized and stress-free.